What to do if you can't find your courses. So on November 19th, the Schoology launched a new interface, and they basically on the home screen took everything off the left side and they put it as buttons across the top. So where you used to click on calendar over here, now your calendar's over here, etc. But one thing that's confusing some people is the courses. So when you select courses, there's no longer a lengthy drop down, but then some people are having trouble finding them. So if you didn't reorder your courses and put your semester 1 at the top, you're going to have to go to My Courses, and there's going to be a button called Reorder Courses right here. And then as you scroll down, you're going to come to a line, and I've got all mine displayed, but there'll be a line right here, and it'll say everything below this line is not displayed. You're going to have to grab your current Section A courses and slide them up to the top. Once you do that, click out of it and close it and go back to your courses. You're going to see now that course has been moved. After semester 1, your semester, they'll get archived, so your semester 2 courses will automatically move up. So that's how you reorder your courses if you're having trouble finding something.